Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this particular video we try to briefly discuss and understand the topic that is related to psychology, and that is hypochondriasis, or you can say illness anxiety disorder, or it is also called health anxiety as well. We will look at the causes related to hypochondriasis, the signs and symptoms related to hypochondriasis, as well as we will also discuss the treatment related to hypochondriasis. But before moving towards the main, if you didn't subscribe my channel Knowledge Topper yet, please do subscribe my channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well. You will find a lot of good material related to these topics as well as from other courses as well. So let's get into this video. As written on your screen, hypochondriasis is an overwhelming fear of having a serious disease. It is also called illness anxiety disorder or health anxiety. You may have no symptoms of a disease or perhaps minimal symptoms, but you will be convinced that you are seriously ill. Even if you go to a doctor and no illness are found, you will not be reassured and continue to worry obsessively. Okay, you might actually have an illness, but you are worried that it is much more serious than that. Hypochondriasis is not about the presence or absence of illness, but you can say that it is rather the psychological reactions to it. The fear of having a particular disease, the fear of having a disease which is severe and persistent, and it interferes with your work and relationships. Complaints often tend to focus on pain in the head, neck, or your trunk. Hypochondriasis is similar to obsessive compulsive disorder because of the obsession with illness and the compulsion to do something to reduce your anxiety. Now, talking about the causes related to hypochondriasis. Look, hypochondriasis may be caused by major life stress, any symptoms believed to be life-threatening, such as chest pain or memory loss, history of childhood abuse or any particular negligence, history of childhood illness as well. So these all are the causes related to hypochondriasis. Now, talking about the signs and symptoms related to hypochondriasis, excessive worrying about having a major disease is also a symptom of hypochondriasis. No or mild presence of symptoms, having so much distress that it's hard for you to function, as well as repeatedly checking your body for signs of illness, frequently making medical appointment for reassurance, or alternatively avoiding medical care for fear of being diagnosed with a serious illness, avoiding people, places, or activities for fear of health risk. The most important thing is constantly talking about your health and possible illness, as well as nowadays you can see many people search things on internet, frequently searching the internet for causing of symptoms of possible illness. So these all are the signs and symptoms related to hypochondriasis. Apart from these, fear of lasting for at least 6 months, any particular fear, presence of other mental disorders such as depression, anxiety, or obsessive compulsive disorder. So these all are the symptoms and signs related to hypochondriasis. Now, talking about the treatment. Look, your treatment will be aimed at improving your symptoms, but your treatment will be aimed at improving your symptoms and it enhancing your daily functioning. Okay, a very useful treatment, however, in this situation is psychotherapy, particularly cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. This therapy will help you to identify your fears, your beliefs, what beliefs and what fears you put in yourself, as well as change unhelpful thoughts, create awareness about how your worries affect you and your behavior, change the way you respond to perceived symptoms, learn skills to cope with anxiety and stress, most important thing, as well as reduce or eliminate symptoms checking behavior, improve your relationships, address other mental health disorders such as depression. Your doctor may also prescribe antidepressants or anti-anxiety medication to help you manage your symptoms, but it is subject to your medical condition. Your doctor will give you specific instructions about the prescribed medication or particular treatment for you, but please ensure that you take or use the prescribed medicine as advised. It can be dangerous to your health if you self-prescribe. Please inform the doctor or your nurse beforehand if you have experienced any adverse reactions to any medication in the past. So these all are the symptoms, causes, treatment related to hypochondriasis. Hope you understand about hypochondriasis or illness anxiety disorder or health anxiety. So this is the video for all of you guys. If you like this video, thumbs up, do subscribe to our channel Knowledge Shopper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well. You will find a lot of good material related to these topics as well as from other courses as well. So this is the video for all of you guys. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.